Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Range Rover Evoque. First thing to do is make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then you're watching out at the bottom here, and you've got phone. You click that phone button there, you've got search new. Alternatively, you can go into the home menu, and again you've got phone there, please pair, so touch that and you're back to the same screen. Search new, vehicle to device or device to vehicle. I think you're always better doing it from vehicle to device. So that's it, it's looking. There we go, picked up my phone. So Barry's iPhone 11, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 0901 on handset. So here we go, the screen's finally come up, 0901 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, so we'll do that. It'll just take a couple of moments to usually the phone connects to the audio system quicker than the audio system connects to the phone. And you see there, Range Rover connected, and now phone connected, and that's it, you've got your display. So that's that.